Good morning, and today we're taking a closer look at the Warlord Games Waffen SS HQ. So, as you know, I have difficulty getting these open, so, packed by Stu, that's why. Always opens well when they're packed by Stu. So, let's see what we get. We get an officer in a greatcoat with an SMG. Ooh. Officer running with a pistol and a little bit of flash, but nothing a quick clean up won't deal with. Funken here, radio operator, and another Funken here. Yes, so let's get the Funken out of here. He's normally seen operating his comrade's radio. And the medic with a white cover or white bib tabard over his uniform. And a couple of officers' heads as well as the crew heads. Let's have a look what these look like when they're cleaned up and glued together.